So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to just try to search for Amino app. So when you find your Amino app, what you have to do is to tap on it for some while. So this is Amino app, so let's tap on it for some while, and you are going to find this. So as you can see over here, we have app info. So you just have to tap on this app info. So let's tap on it, and when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of Amino app. Now what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So after that, go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check the latest update of this app. So after updating the app, you're going to see open section over here. So what you have to do when you see the open section is don't tap on the open, but rather try to restart your device. So tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.